Hi there, welcome to my channel. I'm Kim at Stamp with Kimberly. Today we are going to be making this really cute little card, and I'm using it as a baby card, but you could use it for a birthday with the little balloons in it. Pooh Bear pretty much goes with anything. So a little baby love on the inside. And it is a little fun fold, so it's just something a little bit different. But let me show you what else we're going to be using today when we make this. I am bringing in the Silly Old Bear designer paper, and as you can see, I have been fussy cutting some of these little bears out. They are so adorable. There are dies that goes with this paper that you can get in the suite, and it's Silly Old Friends, and there's quite a few images in here that cuts out some of the images on this paper. I think it might be this one. So you've got your fun little design on this side, and then you have some more characters over here that are, look at Piglet, he's so cute. So there's these, and then we have the fun clouds and more images. I think this is the one that, yes, that cuts out some of the images with your dies. So there's Pooh Bear, and then here's Tigger. So lots and lots of options with this paper. And then you have your stripes, and this pairs great with this one for 100 Acre Woods. And then on the other side, we have Pooh Bear up here in a tree, and so you could use this for lots of different things. And then this one, you can also get the Sweet Words and Labels dies. There is a stamp set that comes with this as well. But here are all the dies, and I have been loving these. So a lot of these dies will cut out some of the images here, and then they also have like a layering die to go with it, so you can always layer them up. So this is a really fun paper to go on the other side of the stripes. And then this one, it's got all the characters, and I think this would be really cute on a baby card as well. And then on this side, we have images. So you could always take your dies and just cut, you know, a portion of these out, whatever you want. I think it would be really cute. Or you could just cut around the whole thing and use that on your card. They're down here having a little snack here. So super cute paper, but like I said, I am going to be using this piece, and I did fussy cut our little Pooh Bear out today. I'm also going to be bringing in banner sayings. I am using the Sweetness. Let me see, You're the Sweetest out of this set. And we are going to be using the coordinating punch. I'm also bringing in a retired set, the Little Dreamers. I'm using Little Baby Big Love out of this stamp set as well. And one more punch is the Balloon Bouquet. So if you have the new balloon dies that just came out, I do not have them yet, but there's possibly a small balloon in that set that you would be able to use. But if you don't have that, like I don't yet, then you can always use your balloon punch. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I have some hydrangea hue here. Say that a few times, hydrangea hue here. And we are going to need to do a little bit of scoring on this. This is 8.5 by 5.5. And we need to score this at 2 3/4 and at 7. Okay, and that is it. So the designer paper that I have cut out for this is going to be this pink, and that is 5 1/4 by 1 1/4, and this one is 5 1/4 by 2 1/2. So I'm going to bring in my bone folder here, and we're going to burnish this real good, and then we'll glue these on, and this will be the base. So you can pick if you like the bigger gingham or if you like the smaller pattern. I'm going to actually do the smaller pattern. And you can always ink up the edges of this if you want, just to give it a little bit different look. So I'm going to put the first one on this side. It's always fun to do something a little bit different instead of your traditional fold card. So not a big change, but just a little something different. And then this one that's 2.5 is going to go on this side. Okay, just like that. So I'm going to bring in a piece of white. This is 5 by 3 3/4, and we're going to do a little bit of stamping on this. I'm going to use Early Espresso, but I want to take my blue blending brush here, and I'm just going to deposit a little bit of color just to give it a little something on the inside here. And then I'll stamp over that. I like these big stamps here. Little baby, big love. And this is going to go right on the inside. So you get a little bit of extra room around here. Like I said, you could always go with a little bit bigger piece of paper if you'd like. But there we go. Okay, so then I have 2 pieces of cardstock. The hydrangea is 3 3/4 by 3 inches, and the white is 2 3/4 by 3.5. So I want to do a little bit of ink blending on this as well. So I'm going to use my blue up here, and we're going to just kind of shade this so it looks like a sky. You could always use your dies on this and cut out some clouds if you want, but I thought with the balloons up here, we didn't have a lot of extra room, so I'm just going to put a little bit of shading on that. And then we have these cute little bumblebees, so I had to stamp them to make sure they weren't flying upside down. So if you have this and you don't have good eyes like me, then you know the biggest one is over on the right-hand side. So I am going to just stamp a row of these bumblebees right up there at the top. And then I'm going to bring in my green blending brush, and we're going to put a little bit of color down here at the bottom. So it kind of looks like Pooh is standing on the grass down here. So I have this little strip of Barely Pink. This is the new in color. And I'm going to bring in my little banner punch. We're going to punch out this very first one. So it's just got a banner on one end. And I want to stamp on this with that sweet little stamp, "You're the Sweetest." And again, I'm going to be using Early Espresso. Let's see if I can get this without getting my head in it for you. Okay. And we are going to glue this right onto the white piece, and then I'll just cut off what is left hanging off there. So I'm going to put this right down here at the bottom, just like that. And then I can just flip this over and cut that off. Okay. All right. So now we're ready to glue this onto our hydrangea. All right. So I have fussy cut this cute little Pooh Bear out of this paper. So I have him already. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in this paper again, and I want to punch out 2 balloons. So I'm going to use the smallest one here, and I'm going to punch one of those out. And then I'm going to bring in a piece of the Barely blush. Okay, so we got 2 little balloons there. I am going to use my little blending brush here and just put a little bit of color around it. And put more of it down there where that little, where the tie would be. Okay, so we have our 2 balloons. Now what I want to do is I'm going to take a piece of twine here and I'm just going to split it. You could use the whole piece if you wanted to, but I'm just going to cut this in half here, or tear it in half. So I have 2 pieces of twine. And what I'm going to do is take a little glue dot here. I'll use my poker here and put that right on the back of where the tie would be. And I'm going to put my twine right on that and kind of wrap this around, and then that will hold that in place. Okay, so just like that. So now it looks like it's tied around there. I'm going to do the same thing on the other one. So I'll put it on the back side, put my twine on it, do a little wrapping, and stick it back on there. Okay, so just like that. So I'm going to take some dimensionals here and put on the solid one, and we'll stick that on the card like so. And then I'm going to bring this one in, and I'm just going to put a dimensional on this one side so that it's flush with this one. And that kind of holds that twine there too. And we'll stick that one right about here. So we can still see the little bees. I did forget to color them though, so let me bring in a marker here. Color their little wings and stripes here. They're so tiny, you can't hardly see some of them. Okay, so now we have 2 strings here. So what I want to do is I'm going to bring in Pooh Bear. Now, if you wanted to, if this was going to be a die cut, so if you stamped one of the images out of the set and then you die cut a whole bunch of them, then you could stack them up and put dimensionals on this and kind of raise Pooh up a little bit. But because it's a piece of designer paper, what I'm going to do is just glue this flush down to the card stack. Okay, so you could make them have a little bit of bulk if you wanted to, but unless you want to fussy cut like, you know, 5 of these and glue them all together, go for it. But I'm just going to glue him straight down like that. So what I want to do is I'm going to grab another glue dot here, and I'm going to put it right there on Pooh Bear's hand. And I'm going to put my little strings on that. So it kind of looks like he's flying them there. All right. I'm going to cut off all this little extra. And then I have taken another piece of twine and tied a little bow. And I saved you the, from having to watch me tie that little bitty bow. Oh, let go. And we are going to stick that right up there so it looks like they're all flying together. So you can always take these and kind of rough these up a little bit if you like that kind of frill look. And there you go. So now Pooh Bear is flying his little balloons looking up at him. I think he's so cute. I actually got this one a little out of his hand. Let me slide him up. There we go. All right, so now what we want to do, you can always put dimensionals on this, but I'm just going to take my green glue and we're only going to put it on half of this. And I'm going to center it right here on my card, just like that. Isn't it so cute? I think it's so cute for a baby, but like I said, you could use this for your birthday or something like that. I have some neutral dots here, so I'm going to pull a few of these white ones out and pop these on. So we got, whoops. Well, you know what? I could have, let me see. I'll put that one over here. I thought it was going to land in a good spot there, and I was just going to leave it, but I'll move it. So there we go. We got our little embellishments going on there, and then little baby big love. Isn't it so cute? So I have made a few cards with this bundle. So if you'd like to see more made by me, then you can check them out over on YouTube. And then if you'd like to join me every Monday at 1 o'clock on Create with Kim on Facebook, then you can see me create more projects over there. So I hope you enjoyed this little fun fold. It's something just a little bit different and still very simple to do. So I hope you enjoyed it. All right, thanks so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.